Some of my friends like baseball, some of my friends like football, but me, my favorite sport is bird watching.
When you type "is bird watching" into Google, it auto-populates with a sport. So that proves it. Alex, what are you saying?
What I'm saying is temperature 93 degrees, humidity 100%, partly cloudy skies with a chance of rain. That's the ideal conditions.
75.10.26. Golden Crippler. The Golden Crippler only comes out once every 20 years.
Based on the temperature, the pressure, everything has to be right.
Go! 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 Based on the readings, tomorrow's gonna be the day.
We're gonna be the best bird-watching duo since Algon and May.
This is a qualifier duo for national recognition. Go!
Well, well, well.
Look who we have here.
Gomez? Gaby?
What are you doing here?
You guys watching in these parts now?
You ask a lot of questions.
Fuck off, you fuck.
You think National Geographic's own fan-favorite birdwatching duo of 2008 would miss the Golden Crippler, Mr. Takaro?
That's Dr. Takaro.
You're a veterinarian. Watch you later.
Man, I hate that guy.
Occupied.
I told the family you gotta put the dog down, then go back there and put the dog down. But you gotta do it eventually. I can't coddle you for the rest of your life.
Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds, Lady Bird, Birdman, Bye Bye Birdie, and I want to say Cars 2. What would you take on a desert island?
Well, obviously I have to start with the birds, the Chicken Little, the chicken soups for the soul.
It's time! Today is the day! Let the competition begin!
May the best duo win!
May the best duo win!
Wait.
Temperature's dropping.
We're never gonna see the Golden Crippler.
Did you say the Golden Crippler?
You know the Golden Crippler?
I saw it once when I was 8 years old.
What was it like?
I was with my parents on a hunt. We had searched for hours and hours until I was overcome with a sudden illness and we began to head home. It was then, from behind the brush, that we saw its golden plumage. But remember, it's not about the bird you see. It's about who you see it with.
Let's go see what that noise was.
Okay. What happened?
I'm a doctor.
You're a veterinarian.
I didn't see this route. I pulled my ankle. I can't walk.
Gomez, the conditions are perfect. We have to go.
I can't walk. Help me.
I'm sorry. There isn't time.
There's still a decent amount of time left.
Just go.
I spent a lot of time looking through a pair of binoculars. But sometimes you gotta put them down to take care of what's right in front of you.
Still don't know what happened to that weird lady.